back to Kerry's Kitchen. Well, you've caught me cooking up my chorizo. Thank you for last week's viewing, and this week I talked about tomatoes. Well, here we are. Went to a great market yesterday, had some beautiful fresh vegetables. Tomatoes, today we're going to do shakshuka. Shakshuka is a Middle Eastern dish with tomatoes and baked eggs. Let's get started. So I'm putting my chorizo into a bowl now. It's all cooked and ready to go. And what's left is these beautiful, beautiful oils that have got the flavour of the chorizo. And this is where I'm going to start cooking my onions and tomatoes and capsicums. So, okay, let's put it in. Onions. My onions are going in. I pre-cut these before videoing because I just didn't want to show you how slow I was at probably cutting it all up. Here's my capsicums. Capsicums are going in. I've sliced up my tomatoes. And I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes until my onions are nice and translucent and my tomatoes are nicely cooked through. Let's let them go for a while. I'm going to add some garlic. Put all that garlic in there. Some seasoning. Some paprika. A little bit of paprika. A little bit of cumin. And a little bit of cayenne. And just mix all that. Oh, smell it. Oh, wow. It hits you straight away. It's beautiful. Guys, you're going to love this. And if you had a pan, a frying pan that you could put straight into the oven, this would work really well. I don't, so I'm going to have to transfer it into a pot that goes into the oven. Anyway, let's keep going through. Tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, goes in. Now we're starting to see the structure, how it's forming. Look at that. Oh, smell it. It's beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, bit of pepper. Oh, it's looking good. That's looking fantastic. All I have to do now is I can throw back in my chorizos. Look, see, there's that oil I was telling you about. I've cooked all that in that beautiful oil. And I'm going to turn it in. A little bit dark, the old chorizos, aren't they? Only on one side, so that's okay. Then I'm just going to let that simmer for a while. Then I'm going to transfer it into dishes. And, oh, wow, the smell of that. You've got to try this. This is just one fantastic breakfast. Oh, wow. It's smelling great. I'd like to thank you all for watching too, because it helps me in my strive to enjoy life and try and help my mental strengths, because, you know, everyone suffers a little bit of mental, you know, strength, and this helps me. It gives me something to look forward to every, you know, Sunday morning for breakfast. Look forward to showing you the rest of this meal. What a beautiful meal. Okay. Oh, wow. This is ready to go in the oven. Let's go. Put into the bowl now. I'm just making some little dents so I can just crack a nice egg into it. Let it sit there. Okay. I'm going to put 3 in for this. Put that away. Another egg. These are fresh eggs from the market as well. And oh, it's always going to be tricky getting it through. There it goes. Beautiful. I've got a little happy face. I'm going to put them in the oven and bake it now and get the eggs all ready. Let's go. So after 10 minutes on 180, these are my eggs all cooked. I'm just putting some beautiful garnish on them. Coriander is just beautiful to put on top. Look, I like lots of it. I'm big on coriander. I'm going to put lots of it on. Be careful not to touch the dish because it's hot. I use the stalk, I use everything in the coriander there is. And just, I like it, I'm going to put a bit of feta on there. I'm just going to put a little bit of feta wrap around it. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful way to start a breakfast. Have a breakfast, start a Sunday morning. There you go. I'm sorry, look at this. Feta. How beautiful is that? Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed what I've done. Shakshuka. It's just as fun to do as it is to say. Enjoy. See you next time. Thank you.